Come on, Halo.
Oh my. I like that.
It's so hard to be on the camera and...
I know, sorry.
It's okay. It's not important that I see it.
I wasn't expecting to see this. I was expecting another little one.
Oh, I see it. It's like take it and shake it.
That's what they know, huh?
Yeah, and she's real correct, which is nice.
Hi! I like her back. I'm a back person. I can't help it. I'm a back and legs. Back and legs.
That trot.
Woohoo! She says, don't you raise your arm at me. I'll give you what for. Ooh, baby cakes. Ooh, baby
And
cakes.
you think that's just natural. Can you imagine when you actually
Get her to raise her
teach her how
back,
to work?
yeah.
I think this is something for her to do. And then put some in
Woo!
less chance of getting injured for racing. And it's not like this girl even has a great pedigree for racing. You know? Seems like she likes to carry her head though too, which is sort of nice.
Yeah. She's gorgeous.
Wow, look at the hawks.
Did you go over that without hitting it? Yay! 2 points.
Ah!
2 points for you. Let's try that again. See if we'll do it. No, you missed it.
Ha ha ha.
That looks like she's got a nice jumping canter.
She says, I can jump. I didn't even sticking pole. Well, she knows to me. And her color too, black with the white like that.
I
is
love
so
it, yeah.
pretty, yeah.
The hind legs give you an optical illusion, which is kind of cool.
And she even has white on her.
Can
lower
you go the other direction?
Yeah, okay.
Woo! Oh, that made you mad.
No.
No.
You're defeating me. Because I'm faster than you, that's why.
I don't like the kicking out. There you go. Good girl. There you go.
She is evidently a pretty easy keeper. She come in with fat, you know?
Yeah.
Good girl.
The ladies are down in the Livermore, and they're going to come this weekend and pick her up, take her home. I just told them to take pictures of her and send them back to clients I knew. So you'd have to talk to her about trial, that sort of thing.
Okay.
Can we see Canner one more time, please? There you go.
See, she speaks English.
There she goes. She was cross-cantering a lot, but...
At least she collects her center.
She does. She totally just like
She
changes
bucks it.
behind.
Long high
Yeah.
lead and then just changes it back.
I love that she puts her neck down like that. Good girl.
She says, this isn't fun anymore, guys.
I think I've seen enough.
Yeah.
Enough that I want to